False alarm this morning for thousands of North Texans. The outdoor warning sirens sounded for about a half hour in the cities of DeSoto and Lancaster. Our Robbie Owens is live for us in DeSoto tonight with what emergency officials are calling a system malfunction. Robbie?
Yes, Ken. I also spoke with someone from Red Oak today. She tells us that she heard the sirens there. So, yeah, all of the timing on all of this appears suspicious. But for now, DeSoto city leaders, as you said, saying they are investigating a mechanical malfunction, even as some here wonder whether that malfunction was man-made.
It is alarming, especially in the middle of the night.
It was a rude awakening. Warning sirens sound at 2 in the morning. The Langs live in DeSoto.
So I opened the front door, looked at the front door. It didn't look that bad, so then I called the non-emergency number, and they said the sirens were going off malfunctioning.
The sirens also sounded in nearby Lancaster. Another false alarm. Allison Taylor was awakened in Red Oak.
I've been up since 2 this morning. I did not go to sleep because I had to be up and at it for work at 9. And
2 years ago, Dallas's sirens were triggered by hackers. For now, southern sector city leaders say they simply don't know.
I thought it was real. Yeah, I thought it was real.
DeSoto staffers quickly took to social media to sound the all clear.
The outdoor warning sirens have been activated by mechanical malfunction.
Those who had registered for the city's alert system also got a phone call.
You prepare. You think that it's in the neighborhood. You're trying to get up and get things going, and that wasn't the case this morning.
So now she and others here want answers and a nap.
I'm on my way home. Going to sleep, taking a nap.
Bedtime's coming early.
Yes.
Bedtime coming early. Now, city leaders here have apologized for the disruption, and yet they say in this part of the country, every siren should be taken seriously. And the fact that we're even talking about this today should be a reminder to everyone to have a plan. Download the CBS 11 weather app. Anytime you hear that siren, make sure you react and check the weather. Live in DeSoto, Robbie Owens, CBS 11 News.